Here we are again in Agra Fort. Okay. And here is me.
And this is me.
Yeah, this is him, the handsome Gun. This is King Palace. Lần xí hắc cái tàu nữa. Hang cái hang âm nữa.
This is the Agra Fort. This line is after the adventure deck.
Adventure deck, my.
Agra Fort.
Yeah.
This is Agra Fort.
Finally, we are back to second spot. Yeah, like that.
I'm here right now in Agra Fort.
Yeah.
My grandfather was here. Was one of the entrance. My grandfather lived here.
Once upon a time, right?
Once upon a time. During the 17th, 16th century.
Yeah.
They were here.
This is nice, yeah? Mr. Matthew on the move. Woo!
Oh. Gần đến đây lên.
Start.
Okay. So today we have been to now we are in Agra Fort. Now we're going to return to our place. So please enjoy. I hope you guys enjoy the video. And please subscribe and then please hit the like button. Thank you. Adventure deck, my Manipur team.
of two side. From home tan side.
Lunch.
กิน
Video mo kapa.
Alright.
Ayun na kapa.
กินอันมีแดงกับ
Salame.
Agra Fort में
We are hungry.
population बहुत है
The leftover one we are eating.
10 देंगे मैं काय मेरा पैसा काय चाहिए
हम लोग पैसा नहीं है.
मुझे भी दे दो, मुझे भी पैसा चाहिए.
We are ready to move now.
Bye bye.
Yeah.
See you next time.
Yeah, see you next time. Next block. Next block will be Lotus Temple.
Yes, Red Fort, Lotus Temple.
Yeah. Bye bye. Yeah. Well, this morning we start our journey from Munirka around 6:20 a.m. And now, what is the time?
11.
11. And we are going to depart from Munirka again, the place where we start our journey. And we will be doing our handshake, good night handshake. Good night handshake.
Good night handshake.
Good night handshake.
Good night handshake.
Good night handshake. Thank you, sister, for joining us. Good. Good night handshake.
Good night.
And today this is our vehicle. Our vehicle driver is very good. We enjoy our journey, and if anybody wants to have a tour ride, you can just text me, and I can help you in finding him again. So good night everyone.